Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, do not forget to hit like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. So by the title you guys already know the video is today is all about the Livon Shake and Spray Serum. Ever since my hair care video, a lot of you had asked me like Dee, please do a review on this Shake and Spray Serum. We really want to know everything in depth about this. So today I'm making this video for you guys. So yes guys, so this is basically a serum like which works as a dry shampoo. It actually doesn't work as a dry shampoo, but it claims to work as a dry shampoo, as it says that it will be like make your hair, like your hair will get freshen up or something like that. So what is the difference with the normal serum and normal Livon hair care serum and this serum? So guys, the normal serum, I too had that, but I had just finished that off, so I cannot show you the bottle. I guess most of you know how that looks like. That has a pink cap in a plastic bottle. It comes in 2 or 3 sizes maybe. This too comes in 2 sizes. I took the smaller one because I was not very sure of how will this work and all. So for 50 ml this retails for 150 rupees. So yes guys, as I was saying, the normal serum has to be used after your post shampoo, like after you have shampooed your hair, on your damp hair, onto the roots of your hair or on the hair, like not on the scalp but on your hair. You need to use on the strands of your hair, but this is pre shampoo because you have to use this on your non-shampoo days, the days you don't want to shampoo your hair but your hair feels messy and smelly maybe, and girls do get in girls hairs are long hair and our hair gets polluted. So yes guys, so like as they say, they have got a lot of quotations over here written, so I'll basically just say what they claim over here. Take charge of your hair even on no shampoo days. Flaunt your traces, feel fabulous and get salon finish hair. Whenever you want, you have the power to spray the blues away. Walk with hair that is picture perfect anytime, anywhere. So this is what they says. So here they says, so the direction how it has to be used is like shake well until it's all pink. Second, spray away on dry hair, like not on damp hair or wet hair. And thirdly, finger comb to smooth out tangles, like put your fingers onto your hair just to make your hair tangle free. So this is what they says and claims all about. Now I'll just give an inside view. So yes guys, this comes in a spray bottle like this. I have applied it once or twice maybe. Yes guys, so and basically I've used it up so much, like the upper portion, I guess it is visible on my camera, like the upper portion is lighter pink and the downward portion is pink, darker pink. So basically these are glossers, what they says. Yes, packed with serum glossers, perfect for no shampoo days, cuts, freeze on the go, boost shines, instant manageability, packed with serum glossers and vitamin B fortified water. So yes guys, so this is the vitamin B fortified water and this is the serum glossers. So basically they says to provide you shine without shampooing your hair. So this is basically on days you can't do shampoo or you don't have time to do shampoo on your hair. So this is for those days, and they ask you to like shake it really well just to make it all pink. It has to get all pink before you use it on your hair. So guys, this is how it looks, and I'll just give you a demo on my hair. I'll just give you a demo on my hair. Hair is so bad, you guys. My hair is so bad, like I like the day before I shampooed my hair, today I will be shampooing my hair, but you guys can see it doesn't have any shine, anything on my hair, you guys can see. So I'll just give you people a demo firstly, like how it looks and all, how it feels rather. So I'll just give you, and don't mind my hair guys, please. You guys can see how it feels and it has become so much oily, you guys. So yes, I have already given it a nice shake. So next I'll just spray it on my hair to show you guys. Yes, let's see. Oops, some came on my face as well while spraying it. So you guys can see. Guys, now you can see I have applied this completely. This gives a weight look. Can you guys just see? It feels such weight, and you guys can see this side is completely dry, but this side is completely wet. You guys, you can see. Yes, this is completely wet, and this takes a lot of time to dry down. So basically I don't like this a lot, but you can, I even in my hair care video I told, like I have already said that I love my dry shampoos more than this. If you don't have time for shampooing on some days, then go for a dry shampoo rather than for this, because this doesn't seems to work as it claims to work. I bought this is for the first and last time. I'm not going to buy this again. Yeah, I will buy the Livon serum. The serum is something different. Serum works for your after post shampoo, and this works for your non shampoo days. I do not see to work like this doesn't work as it claims to be. You guys can see this just gives a wet look to your hair, like which I'm not a very big fan of. I do not like this. I do not like this. You guys can see. I'll just take my rat tail comb, you guys. I'll just show you how bad it looks. You guys can see it all in, even the down part you can see it looks completely wet. So like, yeah, it is a so product. It's like not all negative, it's a so product. You can use it like on your non shampoo days, like, but I will totally not recommend this. I will recommend if you want something, buy dry shampoos or even talcum powders. There are a lot of hacks out there on YouTube as well, like how you can manage your hair with talcum powder and all. I will not recommend this. I didn't like it at all on my hair, so I will not recommend this. And yeah, it just gives a nice smell. The smell is nice. Apart from that, you know, spending 150 bucks for 50 ml product is even not worth it, because if it had showed any result to my hair, then I would have said yeah, it works for my hair. But you can actually see whatever my hair this side looks, it's just the same on this side as well. I don't seem like it doesn't seems like anything. Yeah, it's not that bad. Like, yeah, it does makes your hair manageable. Of course, you're spending 150 bucks on this, so something they will give you, of course, but it just makes your hair manageable. That too, after combing your hair, you can just see it makes your hair manageable. But that's it. You can do this with you can get this result with a serum as well. Then why will you go for this one? My question is that. So yes guys, this is just a product they wanted to launch, so they just launched this product, and I don't know, like express salon finish hair. I don't see any salon finish on my hair. As you can guys see, it's right in front of your eyes, you guys. I don't see any salon finish. So yes guys, just don't mind my messy hair, you guys. If you say yes guys, the choice again raised with you people. If you wanna go for this, then you can give it a shot. It again just for 150 rupees, but why to spend 150 rupees? I don't see any benefit from this. So yes guys, so I will not recommend. But even if you want, like, it just gives mere shine, maybe like just a shine, but that doesn't makes your hair like you know, a shampoo. Doing a shampoo is doing a shampoo. It gives a wet look to your hair. Again, you can see, if my camera is picking up, you guys can see it is still wet. At some part it is still wet. I don't know. So I'll go for the normal serum rather than going for this, or for dry shampoos, which I am repeating again and again. Like it may be like with me it didn't suit my hair, or you guys can go for other reviews on YouTube. You can see other YouTubers review on this product as well. But according to me, I just you know, wanted to have this in my vanity, but not a very big fan of it, not at all. So yes guys, I don't seem to like this at all. You can see I don't seem to like this product at all. And yeah, you can go for the product if you wish to, like just for 150 bucks. You just need to shake it and spray it on your hair. If you want your hair to you know, smell good, for that hair sprays are also there. Anyway, the choice is with you people. Yes guys, hope you all liked my review. If you liked it, do not forget to hit like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, stay blessed, stay happy. Mwah. Bye.